Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Big Al's Eats. Today we're going to be installing a bumper hitch receiver. It's the camping season. The hot part of summer is over with, and it's 81 degrees today. It's time to get that travel trailer ready to go, and I've got just ordered this. It came in the mail just now. We're going to open it up, install it on the bumper of the travel trailer, and I have one of those utility racks that's custom built. I'm going to show you how to put it on. We got to have a place to mount our generator. So let's get this open, get it unpacked, and get it installed. Shouldn't take but just a couple minutes. It's real simple. And here you have it, got it unpacked. Super heavy duty, 2-inch receiver hole in there. You just mount this to the bumper. Comes with the supplied tools, nuts and bolts that you're gonna need. Even has a pin and a clevis hook on there. And when you're not towing, it's got a nice little cover that you can plug up this hole right there. So like I say, it only takes just a couple minutes. So we're gonna go around to the camper now and get this installed. Y'all stick around. This is gonna be real quick, real simple. Okay, what I've done, I had to pre-cut these bolts. I didn't have a whole lot of room to get in there, so I had to cut about 1 inch of the bolt off to get it in there. So I went ahead and got that done. I've got it mounted. I'm just going to tighten it up now. But what I did, I had to find center. So I measured from one end of the bumper to all the way to the other, cut that in half, and then I marked the center of the receiver here, put a little mark on it, and I'm just going to line those up, and that's going to put us in the center here. So all we have to do now is get this tightened up. It's really quick, simple, easy, other than having to cut the bolt off. So I'll get this tightened up. I've got to check the specs on it and find out how much to torque it, but I've actually put some blue Loctite on there that'll help hold it on, and these bolts are designed not to come loose. But anyway, we're going to torque it down, then we'll get the rack, get it put on there, and we'll be ready to go camping. Y'all stick around, we'll show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, I run into a little problem. I had to remove the spare tire. This wasn't going to fit on there with it, but I can mount the spare tire onto this rack. So I've got everything lined up. All I have to do, I've even got the tongue of the receiver and everything lined up. All I got to do is just pick up on it and slide it in. There you have it. This is a custom made utility rack made out of heavy steel. I had previously had this rack on a motorhome, and we put 2 motorcycles on here, and when we did our traveling. So anyway, now we got it on a travel trailer. We can put a couple of generators on here, put the spare tire on here, and the receiver, I ordered it off of Amazon. I think all total getting it here was about $42 compared to probably $300 for a regular hitch that would be mounted to the frame. But the bumper's mounted to the frame, and the receiver's mounted to the bumper. It is a heavy duty bumper. The stats on the thing is don't exceed the towing capacity of the truck, and you don't want to put over 350 pounds on this rack here. So we're good to go. My generator's 98 pounds, spare tires probably 40 pounds, you know, so hey, we're good to go. We can put light stuff on here that we wouldn't have to pack in the camper or in the back of the truck. So this is going to work out good for us. If you're interested, go to Amazon, look for these type hitches like this. They've got them anywhere from $29 to $69, I believe. So anyway, the one I got was middle of the range. Like I say, it was about $42, and it appears to be well built. Looks like it'll do the job, powder coated and everything. So hey, thanks for watching. Check out the video. If you want one, go get you one. Mount it to your truck, mount it to your trailers, ever how you want to do that. So there you have it. Y'all have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Big Al's Eats.